Hey guys, David Peterson, publicdomainphotography.com. I'm going to show you how to use Satin on a text layer in Photoshop. So type your text in that you want to apply the Satin to. Double click here in the layers panel next to the layer with the text on. Layer style. Click Satin and make sure you tick on it, guys. You've got to make sure it highlights blue. And we'll set the mode to normal. Opacity, we'll go with 70%. You can change the angle, distance, size, and you can have a little play with either a custom contour or there's some ready-made ones there. You can change the color to what you suitable for your needs. And it's just a case, guys, of having a play, getting it to the requirement that you want. It's a little bit of a bubble effect, and once you've found your desired effect, there you go. So that's it. Basic introduction into the Satin layer style. Thanks for watching, guys. See you at publicdomainphotography.com.